Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to discuss the next topic, quadrilaterals. This topic is discussing the class 6 series. It means in a previous video I have already discussed circles. So next chapter is chapter number 14, quadrilateral. In this video we will discuss about the concept of a quadrilateral. First, definition or introduction of a quadrilateral, and second is the angle sum property of a quadrilateral, and the third is types of a quadrilateral. So there are three things in this chapter. Three things are discussing. First is introduction, second is angle sum property of a quadrilateral, and third is the types of a quadrilateral. So first to discuss what is a quadrilateral. Quadri means four. Quadri means four. The word quadri means four. It means any closed figure having a four sides. Any closed figure having a four side. So this type of a figure is called the quadrilateral. So this type of a figure is called the quadrilateral. Is given here a closed figure in a plane bounded by a four line segment is called a quadrilateral. A closed figure in a plane bounded by a four line segment is called a quadrilateral. This figure is given here, so this is a quadrilateral because there are four sides: 1, 2, 3, 4. Four side bounded the curve, four side a closed figure. This is a closed figure, and four side bounded the closed figure. It is called an quadrilateral. Definition is also given here. A closed figure in a plane bounded by a four line segment is called an quadrilateral. This is a quadrilateral. So it is a clear definition of a quadrilateral. Quadri means four. Any closed figure having a four sides, it is called a quadrilateral. So next is angle sum property of a quadrilateral. The sum of all angles of a quadrilateral is 360. This can be verified by drawing a diagonal and dividing a quadrilateral into a two triangle. So it can be verified. How to verify the angle sum property? It means in a quadrilateral all interior angle sum is 360. How to prove? So if first divide this quadrilateral in a two part, in a two triangle. So I have already discussing in a triangle topic their sum, angle sum property. All interior angle sum is equals to 180 degree in the case of a triangle. So it is a triangle, all interior sum is equals to 180 degree. So similar, another triangle is also given here, triangle ABC. So this interior angles is also 180 degree. Both are adding together, both equation are adding together. So finally we are one result is a all interior angles of a quadrilateral is equals to 360 degree. This result is very useful for calculating the many questions related on a quadrilateral or based on a quadrilateral. Like one's question are given here. This is a quadrilateral. There are three angles are given here. Third 30 degree, 70 degree, 80 degree, and last angle is x. Calculate the value of x. This question based on the angle sum property you can calculate easily using the property of a quadrilateral. Like a sum of all interior angles of a quadrilateral is 3. So first is 30 degree, second is 80 degree plus 70 degree plus x is equals to 360 degree. So 70 plus 30 is equals to 80, and 80 total is 180 degree. 180 plus x is equals to 360 degree. So last angle x is equals to 360 minus 180 degree. So angle x is equals to 180 degree. It means it is the answer. Angle x is equals to 180 degree. You can identify or you can calculate the many questions based on a quadrilateral. It is important property to a quadrilateral. So next point is types of a quadrilateral. There are six types of a quadrilateral. First is a trapezium, second is a parallelogram, third is a rectangle, fourth is a rhombus, fifth is a square, and sixth is a kite shape. Total six type of a quadrilateral. Then first discuss about the trapezium. What is a trapezium? In the trapezium, a quadrilateral in which one pair of opposite side is a parallel is called the trapezium. One pair of opposite side is a parallel. In this figure, two opposite sides are parallel. It means side AB is parallel to side CD. So both lines are parallel. A quadrilateral in which one pair of opposite side is a parallel is called a trapezium. It means ABCD is given here. ABCD is a trapezium because two lines are a parallel or two line segment are a parallel. AB and CD are a parallel. So it is a parallel side never meet together. So it is a trapezium. Trapezium condition of a trapezium, any two lines are a parallel. And another way, if non-parallel side is if two parallel lines and if a non-parallel side is also if non-parallel sides are equal, so this type of a trapezium is called the isosceles trapezium. Isosceles trapezium in the sense if non-parallel side is this and this, if non-parallel side of a trapezium is equal, so this type of a trapezium is called the isosceles trapezium. So this is clear the concept of a trapezium. So next point, it means ABCD is given here. It is a trapezium. So next is a parallelogram. A quadrilateral in which both pair of opposite side are parallel is called a parallelogram. A quadrilateral in which both pair of opposite sides are parallel is called the parallelogram. It means this figure is given here. That is a parallelogram because ABCD is a parallelogram. Their opposite side. It is a property of a parallelogram. Opposite sides are parallel and opposite angles is also equal. Opposite sides are parallel and equal. This is opposite side AB and CD. This is both are parallel and both are equal. And the opposite angles is also parallel and equal. This is opposite angle. Both are equal. Opposite angles is equal and opposite side is parallel and equal. This is opposite side parallel and equal. So ABCD is a parallelogram. Adjacent side in the sense this is adjacent side, two sides are adjoining their one vertex. So both side, it is a adjacent side, indicate the equal side. This is equal side and this is also equal side, and the two angles, all angles sum is equals to 360 degree. It is a parallelogram. So next is a rectangle. It is a special parallelogram whose one angle is a right angle. One angle is a right angle. This is a special type of a parallelogram because a rectangle is also a parallelogram. Because condition of a parallelogram, only opposite sides are parallel and opposite angles are equal. So this property is fulfilled in the case of a rectangle. So it is a special parallelogram whose one angle is 90 degree, right angle. It means each angle is 90 degree. Each angle is 90 degree and opposite sides are parallel and equal, and each angle is equals to 90 degree. So it is a ABCD is a rectangle. It means ABCD is a rectangle. AB is parallel and AD is parallel to BC and angle A is equals to 90 degree. Not only one angle is 90 degree but also other angles is also 90 degree. Angle B, angle C, angle D is also 90 degree in a case of a rectangle. So next is a rhombus. It is a special parallelogram whose all sides are equal. It is a special parallelogram. It is also a parallelogram because in this case opposite sides is parallel and equal, and opposite angles is also equal. So it is a special type of a parallelogram whose all sides are equal. All sides are equal in this case also. All sides, it means AB is equals to BC is equals to CD is equals to DA. It means rhombus like as a square, but only one difference between a rhombus and a square. In a square, all angle is equals to 90 degree, but in a rhombus, all angles need not be a 90 degree. Cannot be 90 degree, so all angles is not 90 degree, but in the case of a square, all angle is 90 degree. Another difference between a square and a rhombus. In a case of a square, both diagonals are equal, but in a case of a rhombus, both diagonals are different. It means this is a D1 and this is a D2. So both diagonals are different in a case of a rhombus, but in a case of a square, both diagonals are equal. So next is a square. This is a square in a spatial parallelogram in which all sides are equal and one angle is the right angle. Not only one angle is the right angle, other than also each angle is a 90 degree in a case of a square. ABCD is a square, all sides are equal and all angles is 90 degree, and the diagonals is also equal in a case of a square. So it is a square shape indicating the equal side. And box represent the 90 degree angle. This is 90 degree, this is 90 degree, all angles is 90 degree. So next is a kite shape. Kite shape is the last types of a quadrilateral. A quadrilateral in which two pairs of adjacent sides are equal. In a shape of a kite shape, in the case of a kite shape, two adjacent sides, this is a two adjacent side. Adjacent sides are equal. This and this side is also adjacent side. Adjacent sides are equal. So indicate the equal sides. In a figure, ABCD is a kite shape because AB is equals to AD is equals to CD and AB is equals to BC. Both are a adjacent side. Because in a case of kite shape, adjacent sides is always equal. Adjacent side is always equal. So this type of a quadrilateral is called the kite shape. Now it is clear the total 6 varieties of a quadrilateral. First discuss about the trapezium. In a trapezium, two sides are parallel. Any two sides are parallel. So two sides are parallel. Two sides are parallel. It is called a trapezium. And a parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel and equal. And opposite angles is also equal in a case of parallelogram. Next is a rhombus. In a rhombus, all sides are equal. All sides are equal and diagonals are different. Next is a square. All sides are equal and each angle is equals to 90 degree and diagonals in a case of a square diagonals are same. Next is a square. After square, then rectangle. In a case of rectangle, rectangle is also a parallelogram. Each angle is 90 degree and opposite sides are equal and parallel. And last is a kite shape. In a kite shape, only one point is a properties of a kite. The adjacent side of a kite shape is also equal. So now clear. I hope all the concepts are clear in the quadrilateral. So I give the some question based on the quadrilateral. Solve this question and calculate the value of x. Calculate the value of x. Solve this question and calculate the value of x. Calculate the value of x. This angle is x. This angle is 110 degree. This angle is 70 degree. This angle is 120 degree. Calculate the value of x. Find x. So it is a very simple question. You can calculate easily. This question based on the property of a quadrilateral. So sum of all interior angles is equals to say 60 degree. It can be calculated easily. 110 plus 70 is equals to 180 degree. 180 plus 120 is equals to 300 degree. So total sum is 360 degree. So angle value of x is equals to 60 degree. You can calculate easily. Angle x is equals to 60 degree. Okay, so now complete the today's session. Next day I will discuss about the some important question related to a quadrilateral. Okay, thank you students.